Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for the support. How is everybody doing today? I changed my lighting system, so if you could comment down below if it looks better, if it looks worse. I think I had my lights too close to me. It was affecting my eyes. So I think this looks a lot better. If you would let me know, that would be great. This video is going to be a lot different than the last video I put up. I do hope that everybody got their palette taken care of. If they did not, I hope that they have learned to use what came to them. My palette should be here Thursday. I'm super excited. But on a different note, we're going to leave that alone. And today we're going to be doing the unboxing of Glossybox for March of 2019. And I got variation too. I'm guessing that it's a variation. If anybody knows what exactly this means, could you let me know? Now I have opened the tab because I have a heck of a time opening this box. When you open it, this is what it looks like. This is my third Glossybox. I started this subscription in January of this year. Apparently this $100 wine voucher comes in every box. If you watched my Glossybox from February, you're aware that I'm not a drinker, so I will pass that along to somebody else. Now let's get into this and see what's up. If you don't know what Glossybox is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription. You get 5 products. Most of the time I have seen that they are full size, which is great with me. When you open it up, it's always very pretty. Nice bow, nicely wrapped. You do get a little pamphlet in here that will give you some information. And then when you open it up completely, it tells you everything that you received in your box and how much it is. So let's get in here and see what we got. And when I open it, this is what my box looks like. This box was very heavy this month, and I'm guessing that that little box right there is the reason why. So let's look in here. It has a coming soon for all skincare and beauty enthusiasts. We couldn't be more excited to share a fun sneak peek. Get your binoculars out and be on the lookout for the naturally super-powered brand Kiehl's, known for its renowned dedication to apocryphy history. Kiehl's dedicated itself to formulating products that adds a variety of skin concerns. Make sure to subscribe to our newsletter so that we can give you all the scoop. It says, hats off to you, Glossies. This month we are celebrating all your incredible contributions to women's empowerment. Together we're unstoppable, but that would be a celebration. But what would a celebration be if we didn't invite inspiring moments women have so boldly cultivated over the years? Decades may come and go, but the beauty inspirations women have garnered will last a whole lot longer than your favorite waterproof mascara. With International Women's Day this month, we're paying homage to all the powerful, fearless, and unique glam our fellow girls, our fellow gals are so wonderfully paving. As we continue proudly, because let's face it, we're not going anywhere. We're inviting all our special Glossies to bask in this month's excitement with some amazing beauty favors. Open up and find all the power you deserve in a strengthening hair mask, a primer to let your glow be known, confidence in a mascara swipe, and even highlighter because your shine should never be missed. XOXO, the Glossybox team. I have very much enjoyed this box since I had gotten it. I don't have one complaint about it yet. That could change, but so far I very much like this box. So let's see what's in here. The first thing I'm pulling out is the Downtown Paris. This is a tinted highlighter. This featured size is 20 milliliters and the value price for this is $25. This lightly powdered cream highlighter offers a texture for easy application and a lustrous finish. Extractive benefits from botanicals like the white horehound plant help protect against pollution and the harmful effects of light from screens. A highlight should always be healthy. So they're claiming that this highlighter will protect you from pollution, which is great. We have pollution. We do. And harmful effects of light from screens. So your computer screen and your phone. Well, if I use liquid highlighter, I would probably try that out and let you know how I feel about it. But I do not use liquid highlighter. So with that, I have started my first giveaway tote. So we're gonna put that right on in there. And when that's full, I plan on doing a giveaway, or when I hit 500 subscribers. I think that's a good round number to start with. I'm still fairly new, so keep a lookout for that. But the next thing we have is the Yinsa. This is a tone-up primer, Essential Glow. This is 7 milliliters, and this is $15. By infusing super-powered ingredients, this lightweight primer helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. It has a satin sheen finish that gives the skin a radiant look and feel, while minimizing the appearance of pores. It also evens skin texture for a flawless appearance. I just can't talk today. So, let's see what that looks like. I know that the primer that we got in, it is safety sealed. The primer that we got in our BoxyCharm last month, the No Problem primer by Touch and Soul, it felt nice on the skin, but I did not see where it filled in pores or lines. The feel of it is amazing, but as far as a problem primer, I didn't see it. And that's this primer. It's very lightweight, so I will definitely try that. It says an even and brightened skin tone, natural radiant finish, blurs imperfections, enhances, prolongs foundation wear. Well, hopefully it works with powder foundation also. That would be great. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is 2 ounces. This retails for $14. Female-founded brand Briogeo, brought to you by Nancy Twine, introduces an ingredient-conscious brand for all your hair needs. Included in its hairline is their leave-in hair repair mask that strengthens and conditions, safe to use on all types of treated hair. It uses a unique micro-encapsulated formula of argan oil, which helps restore the hair cuticle. The end result is constant, healthy, and manageable hair made with ingredients that are vegan, clean, and cruelty-free. Now, I appreciate that. I don't use shampoos or conditioners that have sulfates. I don't use hairspray. I don't use mousse, or I do use a little Power Dry Me in my hair when I get out. And then I've been using the Briogeo Rosocco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray that we got in our BoxyCharm in January. And I have liked this a lot. So I will definitely be trying this out. And I'll let you know what I think about that. That Yinsa that I just had, I don't know if I told you, but it is a buy one, get the second product 20% off using code Glossybox, and it expires May 1st, 2019. So if you want to go get yourself some of that, you can save 20% off of it. The next thing we have is the Beccas Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara. This is full size, and the retail value for this is $29. A cutting edge wand captures mascara between each individual groove of the ultra dense fiber bristles of the Beccas Bloom Mascara to give you the fullest, sexiest lashes imaginable. Now this is the mascara that we were supposed to get last month in our Allure box, and they had distributor or supplier malfunction. I know that this also came in the regular BoxyCharm for this month. I'm not going to open it just for the simple fact that I have umpteen thousand mascaras open, and it's only my second box of the month, and I'm sure to receive more. So, but I do want to show you the packaging on this. It is just so pretty. I've never seen or had a mascara that looked like this. I do know that the mascara that came in the BoxyCharm this month was a rose-colored pink, about the color of this box, although it looks silver with my lights, but it's a nice light pink color. So I'm glad to have that. I'm just not ready to open it yet. But when I do use it, I will come back and let you know what I think of it. But it could be a while. And then the last thing that we got was the Nuria. Probably killing that name. Either way, it is a Defend Purifying Cleaner. This is pretty heavy. This is a full size. This does retail value for $26. It says, inspired by the natural ingredients used by Australian women for centuries to maintain clear and healthy skin, this cleanser is made with rich ingredients that purify. Pores are cleaned and restored to reduce the appearance of imperfections, while the soothing elements of tea tree oil and witch hazel provide healing effects. You can also get 15% off any order with code GLOSSY19. So, if you want to try this out, there's your code, save you some money. It does have a safety strip tape on it. And this is what that product looks like. I am glad that it comes with a pump. I find that cleansers that are just open, oh, that's cute. It has the little cap to close it, so I'm amused by the smallest things. But I do find that when you have a pump, you use less product than you actually need to, as opposed to if it was just a open the top, pour in your hand kind of thing. So I'm glad that we got a new cleanser. You can't go wrong with skincare. If you don't do your skincare, your makeup doesn't have a chance. So I'm glad to be trying that out. So that was my box, my Glossybox for March 2019. You can comment down below and let me know what you got in your box, if it was the same. What you think about your products, if you are happy with what you got, if you're going to use what you got, if you're going to, per se, put it in a giveaway. So, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, possibly subscribe, share my videos. I am rather new to this still, but I'm catching on. I do put a video out almost every week, sometimes two. So, until next time, stay beautiful, and I'll see you later. Bye.